Okay guys, it is once again time for an urgent real-time Bitcoin forecast. What's going to happen? We are currently bullish because, well, real simple. The Senate decided to keep the government open. That's all. Because the Senate decided to keep the government open, Moody's is not going to downgrade the United States in terms of its economic and credit worthiness in the global market. So if the United States is not going to get downgraded as far as its credit worthiness, then what happens to all the companies inside the United States? They also get more investment. When the companies get more investment, what happens? The stocks go up. When the stocks go up, what ends up happening? People look for more volatile environments to invest in, which is crypto, which is also getting ETFs approved left and right. They're right now for futures. They're not for spot yet, but it looks like somebody knows something that nobody else does. This is why I told everybody, look at this particular chart here. I told everybody, here, this is the one before. I said, hey, this is for you cup and handle lovers. Can you read this? Is this the right way around? Anyway, here, literally even. See these 2 points? They're literally at the same price. And then I said, we're gonna go up. We're gonna zigzag up. You wanna see what happened? This is, well, you know what happened. This is what happened. We zigzagged up. Here, look. I'll open one, and then I'll open the other to show you exactly what happened from here. One, and bam. Look at that. Mab. Bam. Mab. Bam. Okay, see both of them together once again, and there you have it. Look at that. We went up. It kind of doesn't focus real well, does it? We went up this much compared to this particular chart. This much. Missed it by that much. Anyway, so what's going to happen now? We're going to continue to go up. We're literally going to continue to go up. Yeah, can I do 100x long now? Unknown. Depends on when that now is. If that now is the bottom of this current range that we're in this range right now. This tiny little range. So let me magnify that for you. Here you go, magnified. Now, what are these red lines? These red lines are necklines. And because modern AI-based TA is getting so complex and so intricate, we have to draw multiple necklines. You just have to. What normally happens before we have an explosion, another mega pump, is we retest one of these things and we get a rejection. So I'm looking for a rejection probably under this middle red line. So we go up a little bit and then we dump, poof. And we stay dumped for about 5 or 10 minutes, just long enough for everybody to freak out and close their longs. Then what ends up happening is price goes right back over this line and then does the same thing with this red line. Goes underneath it and then poof, goes right back up. So boop, 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 boop. And then suddenly, it just explodes. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm currently not in any longs right now. I just closed out all my longs. For bitcoin-signals.org members, we started our longs right in here. And we closed out right here. And we didn't short. We should have shorted here, which is an obvious short. But and why is that an obvious short? I'm not going to tell you. Anyway, but we restarted longs here. So we closed out right about here because at any point we're just going to dip and we're going to buy that dip and go in probably 500x to 700x leverage long. Whew. Let's see what happens. And if it fails, we do it again until it works. And at 500x leverage long, you can afford to get liquidated 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times and suddenly you make 10 times your money. That's how awesome 500 to 1000x leverage is. It allows you to be wrong. Even though 99.8% of the time we're just right anyway. Get rich. Oh, by the way, you want to trade with us? You should right now. Join bitcoin-signals.org. Take 60% off. And the bull market's starting now. This is when you need to get back into future coin, FTR. The trading's been going super, super well, and their website is now live. Their commercial website. It's a non-crypto website, but they're going to accept future coin as payment for premium services. So I'm sure at some point they're going to release the website address, but they haven't yet because it's in beta. I looked at the beta. I saw the beta and it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So it's kind of like Dex Tools or Rollbit, where they start buying back the coins. That's actually really huge. That's all I'm going to say about that. Let's get rich together this time.